The sum of the first n term of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to n over 2 bracket 5n plus 3, and we need to find the sum of the first 7 term and the 7th term. So let's copy down the formula. Sn is equal to n over 2 bracket 5n plus 3. This is the formula for the sum for the first n term. So we can just substitute 7. Alright. So S7 equivalent to 7 over 2. And then 5 times 7 plus 3. And we will simplify the answer. And we will get the answer is 7 over 2 times 38. So the answer is 133. So how to find the 7th term? The 7th term can be found using the formula sum for the first n term minus sum for the first n minus 1 term. T7 is equal to S7 minus S6. So based on the concept like this, let's say I list out first term to 7th term. If I add up all the first 7 term, I minus out the first 6 term. Of course, I will get the 7th term. Alright, so obviously you can see T7 plus the S6 equal to S7, right? So we can say that S6 plus T7 equal to S7. Then we can say that T7 equal to S7 minus S6. Or we can say Tn equal to Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So we will take S7 just now, 133 minus sum for the first 6 term. We can just use a formula Sn just now. So 6 over 2, then multiply by 30 plus 3. We will get, we will use these formulas. Sum for the first 6 term, 6 over 2 multiplied by 5 times 6 plus 3. So our answer for the sum for the first 6 term can be obtained using formula by just substitute n equal to 6. Right, so we can simplify the T7 by using the sum for the first 7 term minus sum for the first 6 term, and the answer that we get will be 133 minus out 99. So the answer is 34. That's all my sharing about the 7th term that we obtain by using the S7 minus S6. Again, I show you how to find the S6 is you just substitute the 6 into the formula. You will get 3 times 33, which is 99. Right? So it's quite simple about the sum for the first n term and the n term. The relationship between Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So first of all, we find the sum for the first 7 term. We substitute 7 into the formula. S7 equal to 7 over 2 multiplied by 35 plus 3. So we will get 133. And then T7 can be found using sum for the first 7 term minus sum for the first 6 term. So you will get answer which is 34. And then for the part B is quite easy because sum for the first 28 term was given. So we just substitute and we find a common difference which is -5. That's all my sharing. Bye bye and have a nice day.